Hello all. Today we are going to start our traffic light programming through Atmal Studio, and we are going to make a schematic diagram on Proteus. Then we are going to work on traffic light control. Just this is your Atmal Studio. That we are first of all we are going to write a program for a traffic light control. File, new, and open a new project, and then you have to select GCC executable project, and then give the name of the project. So I'm going to give the name traffic light, and then give OK. So now you have to select here Atmega. So if you are going for Atmega, then you will get a find a family, Atmega family. Then you can choose Atmega 60 and then give OK. So now it's preparing for programming. So we can write over here this programming. So first of all, just select all and clear it. So already I've written this program because it will take more time. So I've written programs. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste, and then I will explain it clearly. So this is our program. So here you can see here. So first of all, we have to define frequency. Here I've defined 8 megahertz, and then we have to call a header file AVR IO because AVR we are going to work, and then for delay we have to call util upon delay.h, and then here integer main. This you know well, like C programming only it is. So now first of all I'm going to give character. This is your number because we are going to use displays, 7 segment display I'm going to use here. So the number it's in a reverse direction, 98786543210. It's going to display over there. So next I have called integer I because I'm going to use some loops over here, so we have to call integer I, and then DDRC direction. These are the register because we are going to use four ports CABD, so we can make a turn on or turn off, or we can give input or output we can take from it. So then here I'm going to use port A, port B, and port D. Port A for red, port B for green, and port D for yellow because traffic light, as we know already. Then I have to call a while because it is going to continue the process. Here first of all for loop I'm calling for loop. So the I is equal to 0, and then I less than 10, then I plus plus, that you know well. Then port C will be the output what we are getting. And after that it will have delay for 1000 millisecond ms delay, ms 1000, because we have to turn to the another light. If it is red is blinking, then after 9 second, after that it will go for red, sorry, green or yellow, up to the operation. Okay, then I'm just here I'm giving port A 1 is less than 5. It's called first of port A, the red light will blink. After then port B and port D will be off. Okay, the fifth one, the 5 means the fifth pin of the port A, as well as the port B and port D. Then after that one, then I am going to turn off 0 port A and port B, and then port D will get on. That's called yellow. Okay, and then since yellow will be blinking for a less period, that's why I've started from 6. Okay, and then same thing it will be repeated. Next port next one, port A will be off, means red signal will be off, and then yellow signal also off, but green signal has to be continued. These things I am going to repeat again. It is repeating for mode operation, just 0 0 1. Just you are going to turn on or off the three color LEDs, that's all. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make through Proteus. This is Proteus. You can come to know, already I've explained once. And then go to new project. It's initializing. Then you have to give a name for this project. As traffic light LGH. And then you can give the path to it. So I'm giving here. Next, you can choose this one. Just automatically it has shown do not create a schematic, but we are going to make a schematic. That's why create a schematic from the selected template. Landscape A0 I've taken here, the template inside. I will tell you. And then do not create, we are going to make a PCB if we want. That's why I've selected it and give next. No need to touch anything here. Next, next, next. Here no framework, so we are going to begin, we are not going to create any framework, that's why. Next, finish. Now this is the window where we are going to design. So here you can see PCB layout and schematic capture. We are going to capture schematic only. So here you can see the several different buttons you can get that I will tell you while using it. And if we are selecting this P, means we can pick devices what we are having in Proteus. First of all, we have to go for Atmega 16. I can take from here because we have to enter some keyword, then you can find your elements or devices. Atmega 16, and then go to OK button, so you can get here. And then second one, so we need a traffic light. So you can see. And then we need a display for time seconds. So we are going to make 7 segment. It has two types, 7 segment common common anode and common cathode. So I'm selecting here common cathode, anode. So what I'm going to do here, first of all I'm going to place here, just click and then again one more click, so you can left click, you can place over there. And then second I'm going to click 7 segment LED, and then traffic light I've placed here. So let me zoom in. So it's too far away from this device, so don't go. Sufficient. Now I'm going to make a connection. So when you are going cursor towards to this pen, then you can automatically the cable will come, so no need to worry about the cable and all. It's for display. So I've connected with the Atmega 16. So now I have to give supply also for that. So go to this one in terminal mode, and then you can find here power. So you have to give power to this display. Means supply we have to give. So connect it. Then you have to choose VCC for it. Then I'm going to connect with this one. First of all, I'm going to connect this one to this. Wait a minute. The pen will go to this one. And second it will go to in. Now it is done. So this is a schematic diagram. Just at Mega 16 I have taken one, a 7 segment display, and then traffic light I have taken here. Now I'm going to debug the program Keel Pro, sorry, at Mega 6 Studio program. For that we have written a program, and then we have to build it, build a solution, because it will accept only hex file. So we have to change it up. So you have to find here build one succeeded or up to date, zero failed, zero skipped. This is this one we have created. Now you can see here. So I am going to call this program. So just double click here on Atmega 16, and then you can find your X file. Traffic light 1, traffic light, debug, and then hex. Open. And then you have to fix, already we have fixed 8 MHz. So we have to choose 8 MHz here. And then give OK. Now run it. So you can see here time has been started. 7, 6. Next it will be yellow. We have given very less time for yellow. Then again it's green. So it will be repeated again. Green, yellow, and red. That's the program what we made through Atmega Studio. Then you stop. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. If you have doubt, you can ask anybody through call, or you can send a mail.